guys, welcome back, and in this video in the power of the automation in Power Automate aka PDA, I will show you the way you can do this amazing thing, which be I want go to a database in SQL Server, for example, retrieve all my customers, perform email, create a newsletter in PDF based in the customer name, custom that newsletter, formatting a Word document, you listening well, a document in Word, after that print it to a PDF and attach it to an email. Let's see it. Okay, let's go. So now what I am doing, I am make a connection to SQL Server, right? Database. So if you don't know exactly what is SQL Server and so on, you can find in YouTube videos a lot about. But the SQL Server is where some systems perform where the data are stored, right? So we as a RPA programmer or creator, we must know exactly exists this kind of tools to us to use. So I present to you that tool, SQL Server Database, right? So it can perform as the OpenSQL connection, execute a statement or a query, okay, and close the connection to SQL. So if you are RPA is to on-premises, right? To go through your database or some SQL database, you can use this, okay? So directly, not using APIs or stuff like that, right? So it's amazing. So what I did is so easy then make a connection. To create a connection, you can go uh, through the wizard. You see it is a wizard where you can put what you want, the provider you must use, for example, SQL or lab and so on, right? And the kind of authentication you must do, select the database, okay, and test the connection. For example, it's okay, it's fine. So after that, you must save. Don't forget, guys, if you want, try to imagine, figure out, I want a retry in my flow. You can do it in this way, right? So don't forget, is this the on error? And if as activated, you can see in blue here, right? So for now, I make a save. The statement, what is the statement? Is a SQL language, right? For example, the select give me wall, the asterisk meanings wall from contacts. Contacts is the name I give to this table. You see here contacts. So easy then. Give me the contact, all my contacts, right, or the customers. After that, I launch a Outlook. Okay, you see it. Is this in some way the on error? If exists a error, you can throw error, or in another video, I will show you the try catch, okay? The try catch, exists the try catch, okay? And I can show you exactly how you can perform the catch in your flows, right? After that, what I am doing is a loop, right, guys? For example, I will retrieve the data. For example, I will show you. I will retrieve the data from imagine, don't forget, this is important. You can put your data sensitivity, okay? Meanings you can see the data, okay? So after that, I have received some data, right? And perform a set to two variables. The first one is the name, and the second one is the email. Okay, let's show you. This is the name and this is the email. So I received here in current item a table and retrieved the two values but two different variables, right? The position in the first one is the zero, meaning give me the name. The second one give me the email. After that, I have a subflow, right? This is format newsletter subflow. I explained in another video about the subflows. After that, what I am doing now? What I'm doing is a press button in the window press word. He will click here exactly in that way and performs another click here like I am showing now, and after that you will select the text, replace the text by the value in the comes from database and replace here, okay? And after that we'll make a print of this, right? Go here, print, and open this and save a PDF in that way. Okay? All these our RPA and not save this template. So this is a template to perform. Imagine our newsletter. All these are press the word, waiting a little bit, go to the newsletter. After that, clicking element, send the keys. Don't forget, I will replace that text by the variable name. You will see it. And after that, I go to the print, right? This is in Portuguese, but is imprimir is print in English. So it's print the data. Okay, after that, don't save. Okay, not save is não guardar in Portuguese too. Okay, I'm talking about to you about from Porto. So Porto in Portugal, visit us. Come and see Portugal. So let's run this amazing flow. Let's see it. Okay, we are press in the word. Okay, is pressed. Now he goes to newsletter. Okay, the template here, newsletter. You see it. And after that, we'll replace the title you see here by the name comes from the database, right? And after that, we'll go to the print, okay, and print this document, right? Save that, and after that, we'll close the word and not save the word, right? So after that, what we are doing, send the email and attach to that email and delete that file. I will show this. After that, after the runs of flow, he comes here, validate if exists the file. If the file exists, perform a send outlook and send the body hello and give the name of the customer, right? And after that, we will send the email, say, hello, Pedro, congrats, this related, it's only for you, blah, 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 blah. And attach the PDF we are created before, right? Was created. And in the end, delete the file and close the Outlook. So guys, I will go here and make only a modification to you to see and be pragmatic and see again this. This is amazing, right? So this is the power of RPA, the robotic process automation. Automate your processes. Okay? So stay tuned, stay with us, and I give us more some seconds in this video to see again this amazing process I create to you. If you want to see the code of all these steps and so on, go to GitHub, canteen.net GitHub, and you can find this for you. Okay, so stay with us, stay tuned, and I will run this to you to see everything is executing as we want again. So newsletter, don't forget, this is amazing, and I like it. Create this kind of stuffs to you. So share with your colleagues and friends, and subscribe channel because you see it. Pedro one, yes, replacing the template in the newsletter. Go to the print. Imagine in your organization, right? Imagine you creating PowerPoints in that way too, right? This is amazing. I will show more videos where we go retriever, for example, from Excel and create a presentation and so on and so on, right? So now, imagine I am saying send email, but I don't show you yet the email we are sending, right? So I can go here and show you the email. Okay, so give me a second. Where is the guy? Oh, he is performing again this process. I will stop it. Uh, okay, give the guy the second to finish. This is why exists the attended and unattended, because if you are using your machine and if RPA runs, what happens is like you have two persons using your computer, right? Because the RPA is like you, okay? It's like a person is cutting some stuff, okay? Some activities, some tasks. This is the mindset behind the RPAs, okay, the robotics is a robot, like in the fiction movies, right? So what I'm saying is sometimes these kind of things are a little bit was very very uncomfortable because a machine is doing our work, right? But in the reality, this kind of work where you go format a newsletter, you see it here, the email. If you go here, you see the email and the attachment. See it? Amazing, right? You imagine. So give me your feedback and bye bye. Stay tuned.